Hi, my name is Rosalie Desmond and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas card using the Peaceful Noel Stamp Set and the gold foiled edge cards and envelopes. So the cards come like this, and then you just simply fold them in half. And we've already got our card base. This card is very quick and very easy to make. I've used a piece of real red cardstock, so it's 8.5 centimeters by 11.5 centimeters. Then I've grabbed a piece of designer series paper, and it is cut at 11 centimeters by 5.5 centimeters. Then I've grabbed some gold foil and a scallop circle and a scrap piece of white, which I'm going to be cutting out a piece and heat embossing Noel. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be doing my stamping. I've used 2 stamps from the Peaceful Noel set. I've used Noel, and then I've used this berry outline. Using Versamark, I just ink it up, putting Noel roughly in the centre. The berries just give me a little bit of colour. Now I'll grab some gold embossing powder. I'll just give that a flick, and it's got rid of all the excess. Then using the heat gun, we simply melt the embossing powder, and then from there I line up my image and I pop these both through the Big Shot. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, now we've cut those out, I'll use some Tombow liquid glue and add my layers together. Grabbing some Stampin' Dimensionals, I will pop my sentiment. Oh, and before I forget, I'm using a real red Stampin' Right marker and colouring in the berries. And using the Tombow liquid glue, just pop the sentiment in place. So using the gold foiled edged cards and envelopes, I am able to produce some cards very fast. As you can see, they've got foil edge on the envelopes as well as on the cards, and it just makes such a quick, simple card ready for Christmas. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you've been enjoying my videos, and please subscribe below. Until next time, happy crafting!